Hey everyone, I'm in the studio working on my very first solo CD with Matt at Media Brain Records. I'm very excited. I've wanted to do this for a very long time. As you know, projects such as these do entail a lot of expenses, and I would appreciate your support in this endeavor. I've set up a GoFundMe account. You can click on the link at the bottom of your screen, and I want to give you a little taste of what we're going to work on. Again, the expenses are for mixing and for studio musicians and getting the disc pressed and all that good stuff. So I would appreciate you all supporting me. So I'm going to give you a little taste of what's to come. It's a song called Everything's All Right.
Go spend a dime, everything's gonna be just fine, 'cause I believe in you and me. All you need is a little smile, even when it's not in style, 'cause deep down you have everything you need. 'Cause everything's alright. When it's cold, just bundle up tight and sleep all through the night, 'cause everything is alright. Hey, hey, So it's been a bumpy road. Let go of your need to control and believe in things that are unseen. All you need is a little faith. Last minute